In today's makeup look, I am going to create a look that if you were bedridden, you would be able to accomplish that and do it very easily. You can choose face powder or powder foundation. I'm using face powder to create today's look. I did not use any primer because, like I say, this is if you're bedridden, you're not going anywhere, you just want to look a little presentable or you wanted to play with some makeup, this is the look I would create. I did not use a brush, I used a puff to make it easier because sometimes people have different ailments and they are not able to hold on to a brush. So I'm using a sponge. I am not using eye primer either. I am using my powder to be a base for my eyeshadow. Easy, simple, bedridden eyeshadow look. My powder is on. A little blush. I take the same puff and I just dab a little bit just to put back a little bit of light into the face, a little structure. So we are doing that. And I'm sitting on the bed doing this. I am sitting right on the bed doing this to show you. Now I'm putting brows. Brows are on. A little eyeliner if you want to, just in the lower lash line or the lash line. Now we're gonna do our eyeshadow. Now a little eyeshadow. I did not take a brush, I'm just using my fingers. Like I say, some people who are bedridden have a hard time holding onto a brush, so you want to use something that is easy to navigate, your fingers or maybe a sponge. In this case, I'm using my fingers. It's a matte color. I just take it and I put it on the lid. This is the eyeshadow. Very simple for bedridden. Next, we do our lipstick. Find your favorite color lipstick and put it on and be happy, smile and say your prayer and be thankful that you're there for another day and ask for healing. This is the lipstick I picked today and I'm going to put it on. No lip liner. And then we put our earrings on. You can put any size earring on. I just pick a small one because if I'm bedridden, I wouldn't want a big set of earrings. I'd want something tiny, a very light face of makeup, and just, to look beautiful and still feel beautiful even though I am bedridden. And this is the complete look. And this is my complete look. If you are bedridden and you want to do a little makeup and play with a little makeup, it doesn't have to be much. Very simple, very easy. So you can still feel beautiful and know that you can still play in your makeup. A little bit of makeup while you're bedridden. Remember that you are precious. Take care of self because you are first. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.